Hey, what's good guys? Drew with the Soul Broker here. So today we're doing a review on the Royal Toe Jordan 1. I was fortunate enough to score a pair on the SNKRS app given the fact that I had exclusive access. So let's get into it. Do a quick review. I feel like a lot of these reviews are very long for no reason. So let's just try and be as detailed as possible and do as quick as a review as possible. So as you could see, I got my size 11. Very happy to get my own size. Upon opening up the box, you're looking at the materials of the shoe. You notice here, especially like the toe box, the leather on here is not as good as like you'd see in an Obsidian or those type of Jordans. I mean, it's not bad, but I wouldn't say it's really that good. It feels like kind of stiff. I prefer that like tumbled leather. It feels like very supple. This is not that type of quality. Also some differences. The sock liner in this is not like your standard Jordan 1 sock liner. You could see once you get into the shoe and like look at it. As the court purples have, they have like that leather tab here. But other than that, I mean, I think it's a pretty cool colorway. It's very versatile. It's black, blue, white. These did sell out. I tried to get them today. However, did not have any success. I tried for girl sizes. I tried for smaller men's sizes. No luck, but I mean, these aren't bad. I mean, I think they're decent, but I'm not totally impressed by them. That's just my honest opinion. So yeah.